Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your Bradford white water heater isn't producing hot water, there's a good chance the pilot light has gone out, and resetting it is the first thing you need to do. The pilot light is what ignites the burner, so when it's off, the entire heating process stops. This can happen due to gas interruptions, drafts, or the system shutting down as a safety measure. While it might seem technical, relighting or resetting the pilot light is actually a straightforward process when done carefully. Once it's relit properly, your water heater should return to normal operation. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to reset the pilot light on a Bradford white water heater step by step. Try these. Step 1. Turn the gas control knob to the off position. Step 2. Wait briefly to allow any remaining gas to clear. Step 3. Turn the knob to the pilot setting. Step 4. Press and hold the reset or pilot button. Step 5. Ignite the pilot using the built-in igniter. Step 6. Release the button slowly and confirm the pilot stays lit.